Hey there, Pueblo, Colorado residents. Are you experiencing issues with your water heater? Whether it's no hot water, inadequate hot water, or leaks around the unit, water heater problems are all too common and can disrupt your daily routine. Today, we're going to dive into the common issues with water heaters, what causes them, and how you can fix them. Let's get started. Water heater issues can range from no hot water at all to not enough hot water, or even leaks around the unit. These problems can be caused by sediment buildup, faulty thermostats, or broken heating elements. Let's start with sediment buildup. Over time, minerals in the water can settle at the bottom of your water heater tank, creating a layer of sediment. This sediment can insulate the water from the heating elements, causing the heater to work harder and less efficiently. You might notice that your water isn't as hot as it used to be, or that it runs out quickly. To fix this, you need to flush your water heater. Here's how. First, turn off the power supply to the water heater. Next, connect a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the tank and run the other end to a safe drainage location. Open the drain valve and let the water flow out until it's clear of sediment. Close the valve, remove the hose, and turn the power back on. This can be a tedious task, but it's crucial for maintaining your water heater's efficiency. Next up are faulty thermostats. The thermostat controls the temperature of the water in the tank. If it's malfunctioning, you might get water that's too hot, too cold, or fluctuating temperatures. Check the thermostat settings and make sure they're appropriate. If the problem persists, the thermostat might need to be replaced. Replacing a thermostat involves turning off the power, removing the access panel, disconnecting the old thermostat, and installing the new one. Again, this can be a bit tricky and might require professional help. Lastly, broken heating elements are a common issue. These elements heat the water in the tank, and if one of them breaks, you'll notice a significant drop in water temperature or supply. Testing and replacing a heating element requires draining the tank and using a multimeter to check for continuity. Here's a quick tip. If you suspect a broken heating element, turn off the power supply and drain the tank. Remove the access panel and insulation, then use a multimeter to test the element. If it's faulty, replace it with a new one. This process can be tedious and might be best left to professionals. If all of this sounds like too much to handle, don't worry, we've got you covered. Our team of qualified professionals in Pueblo, Colorado can diagnose and fix your water heater issues quickly and efficiently, ensuring you have a steady supply of hot water. Call us today at 1-614-739-0141. We'll make sure your water heater is running smoothly, saving you time, hassle, and cold showers. That's 1-614-739-0141. Don't wait, call now and let the experts handle it. Thanks for watching. For more plumbing tips, stay tuned.